Bitcoin dipped all the way right down to this very area of $49,000. Not only the crypto market, but across board, we see stock going down to record lows, even in Forex and also in the commodity market. Look at Kaspa right here, a major dip all the way to the downside to this very area of 0.125. This is a crazy drop, guys, and this is a combination of a lot of factors, okay? And the market is not going to remain this way, and this is what I'll be talking about right now in this very video. A major crash, what will you be expecting in the next coming days on Kaspa and Bitcoin as an investor and also as a trader? So watch this video till the very end. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about crypto, day trading, and investing strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. If you look at Kaspa, the market dropped all the way down to this very area of 0.125, okay, and it have a major rejection, okay, and that is why you need to buy certain altcoin that have good use case, so that in case of aggressive movement to the downside like this, they have high capacity of quick recovery, just like we see on Kaspa right here to the upside. That means if you understand technical analysis and you took a position around this very area for a buy, you should be a massive profit right now. But that is not the essence of this very video. Now, on this very chart, there is a divergence that I make mention of on this very chart from this point to this very area, okay, and from this very area right here on the RSI indicator back to this very point, and this is a bearish divergence. So this very crash has a combination of a lot of factor, political factor, and also economic factor. All of these is a combination of what we are seeing as a major crash in the market for the past 3 days. And as you can see right here, market is beginning to recover, but we confirm this divergence to be true at this very point where we see a breakout of this very support trend line. So a breakout happened around this very area, that is about 4 days ago, and from this very point, market begin to crash harder to the downside. And what we should be expecting right now is a little bit of move to the downside before correction, and then the next move upward. So I believe personally, this is my personal opinion, that this is the last drop that we're going to see in crypto that is happening right now, and this can take days and week, okay? So it can take throughout this month and entering next month, September. No one knows the exact time that we're going to have a full recovery before the market will begin to move upward. But one thing is certain, that the market is going to definitely recover and pick up to the upside. But for Kaspa right now, I am looking at this very point of important support. If you look at this very area, this very point of support, we have the market come here and have rejection from this very point to the upside. So what you should be expecting right now is the market have capacity of moving down a little bit. Despite the rejection, market can come down a little bit to enter into this area with a close, and then before we see the market move upward. That means if we see a close below this very level of support, that means the market have capacity of coming back down into this very area of 0.125. okay, this very point is very important, so pay attention to this on the Kaspa chart. So for now, market is still going to have this very drawback to the downside. So on Kaspa, the bears are still going to be in control of the market in the next coming days and week, all the way down. Okay, so we're going to prepare to buy more Kaspa at a lower price into our portfolio before the end of this very major crash in the market at the moment. And on the 4-hour chart on Kaspa, if you look at this, see the market move down, big rejection all the way to the upside to this very point of 0.17, and then market is coming back down right now. I am expecting that the market begin to move down a little bit, okay? So from here, after this very move, a creation of a new low is possible before the next move upward. So this is what you need to pay attention to right now on the Kaspa 4-hour chart. Market should come down a little bit. Okay, creation of a new low is possible before the next move upward. Pay attention to market recovery in the next coming days or weeks, in as much as we see the BST in control of the market. And on the Bitcoin chart, this is the Bitcoin 1-day chart. One thing that is very, very significant I want to show you on this very chart is the fact that market has been creating new lows. Look at it here. So from this very point, we have a low right here. Okay, market move up, could not create a new high. Then a creation of another new low at this very point. Market move up, could not create a new high, and market have created another new low again. This is a sign that the market is in a downtrend. Okay, very clearly. And if you draw your trend line on this very chart from this very point right here, okay, where the market created the first low and the new all-time high at this very point, you see that the market is going down. So there is a decline of the market coming back to a downside on this very resistance trend line. And if you draw same on the support level from this very point at this very area, you see the market is coming back down as well. So this is very important right now on the chart. So this is a broadening wedge kind of formation. But if you look at where the market entered, this very rejection coming down to this very point of $49,000, and this very area is a critical support level. This very point is very, very important. So market should not go below this very area. The possibility is there. I always tell people there is nothing that is not possible in the crypto market. In as much as we see this very crash in the market, okay, the same move can also happen to the upside. The bulls can suddenly take control of the market, and you can see a drastic move all the way to the upside. So nothing is impossible in the crypto market. Everything is possible in as much as is within the boundaries of the market. From here, I am expecting the market to pause within this very zone of $50,000, $51,000, and $52,000. But the possibility of the market coming back down below this very level is also there, okay? And we will not shy away from that possibility. So what I am expecting right now is for the market to move down a little bit to retest here, and then move up for a good retracement before continuation back down for creation of another new low. The possibility is there because that is what we are seeing on the chart right now. Market creates a low right here, another low, and another low at this very point. So market can, retrace upward and then come back down to create another new low before the final move upward. And before we can certify that the market have now begin to move upward and there should be a new low creation, the market must break this very level of resistance. This is very important. If the market did not break this level of resistance and create a high higher than the highs here, then the market is not ready to create a new high. Therefore, we will not be expecting that aggressive move to come into the market, and this very formation can take days, weeks, okay, before it can actually play out in this very perspective. So looking at a broader look, okay, or a wider look at the market right now, pay attention to market from this very zone, okay, between where the market is right now of 54 and this very area where the market touch of 49, to have this very retracement to the upside, okay, because this very move is very significant. Market must have to retrace before it will continue again to the downside. This is very important. And if we see the market break here on the resistance level on this very chart, then that also means that the market is ready for aggressive pump to the upside. And like I said, this can take days and weeks for us to see this very formation. And if you look at the RSI indicator, which is very important right here, you see the last time market come into the oversold condition, we see a movement to the upside. So from this very point, from here, market come here, and then from here, market move upward on the chart. The same thing, market is already at oversold condition right now. So expect the market to move upward before that movement to the downside. So pay attention to all of this. It is very, very important for you to position and be in the right direction of the market, or have a perspective of where the market is going to go in the next coming days and weeks. On the BTC USD 4-hour chart, you have to pay attention to shorting the market as a future trader. And if you don't know how to trade futures, you wait for the market to give you a nice buy opportunity on the 1-day chart before we can take a buy for the market to move upward within this very broad range. This is very important right now, guys, on the chart, and pay attention to this, and the market is going to have a recovery on the 1-day chart very soon as we approach the days of trading. And one thing very important about Kaspa, since we are holding Kaspa right here and we are waiting for that aggressive move in the market, is we are going to keep buying more. So what that also means, as a Kaspa investor, there is nothing to panic about, okay? There is nothing to panic about. The market is still going to move all the way to the upside. What this means is that it is an opportunity for us to buy Kaspa more at lower prices for that market to begin to move upward, for us to be in massive gain. So hold your position on Kaspa, and if you're holding Bitcoin as well, hold your Bitcoin position. Market is going to move upward. I am talking about long-term holding into the 2025 bull market. So this is very important for all Kaspa and BTC holders. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. And if you've not registered with Binance, OKX, and KuCoin, I have a link in the description of this very video. Check it out and do your registration right now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.